This is the LiNKFOR Switch Dock and Portable Charging Station. Let's open it up. Manual. Get this out the way. And that's it. Okay. Well, just quickly looking at it, it has the two USB 2.0, the headphone jack, and you got the USB-C, HDMI, and USB 3.0. This is where the switch goes. Nice little plastic cap for it. And oh, here's the HDMI switch button, I think. Yeah. Pretty light. Initial impressions. Nice. Has nice little rubber grippy feet. Won't go nowhere, I guess. For the switch. Supposed to go in. Oh, well, that's nice. Not too bad. Nice low profile, doesn't even get onto the bezel. Real nice. Huh. Okay. Pretty self-explanatory. The reason I picked this up is pretty much I just wanted a stand where I could just charge and play it at the same time, and saw a couple things online, and there are a couple different ones out there. This LiNKFOR Switch Dock specifically didn't have any reviews, but it was actually reasonably priced. One of the main reasons I did get it is because it has the audio jack right here. And I assumed I could plug in my headset, because when I was playing a few other games, when I would plug in my headset, especially when I would stream online, I would get some feedback because it was hardwired to the switch. So hopefully that's not the case, and try it out. Either way, it's $30. I figured I'd give it a shot. Okay, well, as you can see, I have it hooked up here. Assuming the green light means it's charging. And it's charging. Close. I don't know if it's charging. Okay. Might have to look at the instructions now. Okay. Doing this. User manual. Okay, dock your protective case, TV mode, which 15 tabletop mode. Okay, let's get back to this. Okay. Okay, let's try that again. Try that again. Okay, that's. Gotta be something. Okay, so for now, I'm gonna have to give this review an incomplete. I don't recommend buying this unless they reply to the answers that I'm going to ask on Amazon. Because usually if there's a question or something doesn't work, I try to give it the benefit of the doubt and at least ask the seller if they know how I can resolve any of these things. I mean, for the most part, I would like to help out smaller companies if I can, because I hate when there's a company and it only has a few reviews and it's like 2 stars. So I don't want to give it a bad review, but at the same time, hopefully I can ask the seller if they have any answers or workarounds to what's going on. Usually for me to give something a must buy or for sure you need to get it, it's if it just works. I'm going to give this the review incomplete, and hopefully I can update this a little bit later. Thanks for watching. Hope someone finds an answer to this. And if you do, leave a comment below. Thanks.